All right, let's do an open Y, open delta connection, and we're going to use what's called the opposite same connection. So opposite same connection. So let's just start in the primary side, and we're going to do our open Y connection. So we're going to tie H2 to an H1, and we're going to take that to ground. And then we're going to use the H1 up to this B phase and this H2 up to the C phase. You only need to utilize 2 of the phases. Just depends on your company which phases they want you to use. We could have easily used A phase instead of B phase here. So where we get the name opposite same, as far as the opposite part of it goes, is on this primary side, because we've connected the H2 bushing to the H1 bushing. So that's an opposite connection. Let's go ahead and move on down to the secondary connection, which is going to be a delta connection. So we're going to utilize this X2 bushing right here, and we're going to take this down to ground. This will be our neutral connection. Now what we need to do is tie the X1 bushings together. And now we'll just run these down. And there's one hot leg. This X3 over here is our other hot leg. And then this X3 bushing over here is our power leg. So where they get the name same from is, if you look right here, we tied the X1 bushing to the X1 bushing to the same bushings. So that's where the opposite same name comes in. Opposite on the primary side because the H2 is tied to the H1. Same on the secondary side because the X1 is tied to the X1. Now if you look, our hot legs are on the transformer that has the X2 bushing as the neutral, and then our power leg is on the transformer that's not utilizing the X2 bushing. That's how we identify our power leg. Is one, it's on the transformer that doesn't have the X2 bushing connected, and another way is, if you look, we've got one full coil inside this transformer here, and then another half coil right here. So it's 1.5 coils away from the neutral. That's what makes it the power leg. It's 1.5 coils away from the neutral. This is important because normally an open bank is used where the single phase load is the predominant load, but you also need 3-phase power. You just want to make sure that you hook your hot legs up to the house and utilize the neutral, and don't hook the power leg up to the house because you'll send too much voltage into the home and you can burn up electronics like the TVs and the computers, things of that sort. Only have the power leg utilized for the 3-phase power. Make sure and use your hot legs for the home. So this is an open Y, open delta connection using the opposite same.